Happy Thursday, mga kahawdies! Hi, Mercurian! Mercurian's happy. We have been singing in the car while we're driving here. So he's very happy. What is your favorite song, Mercurian? Hi! Bye, bus! Bye, bus! Up. Shall we?
Open.
Okay. We shall open. Hold the bottom.
Hold the top. And
Hold the bottom. Hold the top. And pull up. Yay! What's that? It's a oink oink there. You're oink there and oink everywhere. Yeah, you're right.
Howdy, mga howdies. Botanical Gardens in Madison, Wisconsin.
Hi guys! So, dadaling ko yung dalawang bata. Magda-drive-thru lang kami. Kukunan ko sila ng dinner. So, yun guys. Mamaya pang gabi, darating si Claude. So, sabi niya matutulog siya pagdating niya sa bahay. So, hanap na lang kami ng dinner na naming tatlo para hindi na ako magluto. Are you ready, boys? Where are we going? Donald's! So, we're waiting in line. Hindi yung mga bata. We're just waiting for our turn, guys. So, napakainit ngayon. It's 81 Fahrenheit. Sobrang ang bilis mag-change ng weather dito sa Texas. Minsan uulan, minsan ang init, pero nakakatakot ngayon yung summer kasi 3 digits. Thank you, you too. They will give it to us, Babs. So, kapag hindi pa kompleto yung order mo, pinapahintay ka dito sa pick-up. Parang serious ang face ko palagi, no? Pag nag-i-edit ako ng videos ko, sabi ko, bakit mukha akong galit? Pero hindi ako galit, guys. Ganun lang talaga yung face ko, guys, ha? So, eto ng dinner ng dalawang bata, at saka yung smoothie ni Zadkiel. So, punta naman tayo ng Chicken Express para sa akin. Number 4, 2-piece dark. I'll have fries. Did you want a drink or fries? Drink. Chicken Express. Usually very easy ito kasi malapit lang ito sa bahay. Yung papunta lang dito from McDonald's, so I have to use GPS kasi hindi ko pa alam. Sorry. Yes. Thank you. Ouch. Thank you. Sorry for that. Thank you. So we're driving home. You're what? Wow. Are you reading? Okay, so we're driving home, guys. And we have our dinner now. And the boys will have McDonald's and mommy will have Chicken Express. Practice lang tayo sa pag-drive at very aware sa mga nangyayari sa environment, sa paligid. So, nandun yung dalawang bata nandito lang sa likod. Yan. So, we are just heading. Mabuti na lang walang sasakyan. Oh my God. Alright. So, this is our view. So, hindi natin magdadaanan yung paborito kong bridge. Pero, maganda pa rin yung mga puno kasi green. Minsan mamimiss mo talaga yung mga puno kasi kapag winter at saka fall, brown. So parang different ang mood. Kapag green naman, parang lively, cheerful, ganon. So, McDonald's yung sa dalawang bata. Ito naman akin Chicken Express kasi parang Jollibee rin. So, may rice pa ako. Tapos, thighs at saka drumstick. At saka may tinapay at saka french fries. At saka ito ding drinks. So, katatapos ko lang ready na ako for bed. Pero, hinihintay ko pa si Claude kasi darating na siya mga 11:10. PM, 11:10 PM. So, mag-edit muna ako ng ibang videos para ma-upload ko. So, yung mga videos na ina-upload ko is yung mga previews na pinuntahan namin. Pero, pero I'll try my best to vlog, to finish it para makapag-update na tayo ng everyday natin. So, excited na ako dahil malapit na yung maging 1,000 yung subscribers natin. So, I'm so happy. So, happy ako na marami nang nakapanood sa atin. And, yeah, marami nang maging friends. So, kapag mag-comment kayo and mag-chika-chika tayo and tell me kung nasaan parte kayo ng mundo. Yun, guys. And thank you so much dahil sino ba naman ako nag-subscribe kayo. So, hindi nyo naman ako kilala. Pero, thank you so much sa pagbibigay chance rin sa akin. Thank you po.
Hi.
Daddy's back.